Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking about Skeem Saam that was aired on the 14th May 2025. Says Betha got fired after finding Thomas' clothes and asking Mapitsi about the clothes. Says Betha was trying to save Mapitsi's marriage, but Mapitsi was like, don't tell me, this is my marriage and this is my house. Thomas was on a phone call with his girlfriend, and Kamu, as Mpiani, was listening to Thomas' conversation. So through the conversation, Thomas was talking to his girlfriend and they were talking about the lobola and negotiations. So it seems like Thomas is planning to lobola Ntati girl. So says B is leaving the Maputla household and Beat is not happy about her departure. And now Tibos is asking Mapiti and says B or lang. So now says B is gone and Tibos is asking Mapiti who will take care of the house and the kids. And Mapiti Ari, ask your mother. I'm sure she'll be happy since Sesbi is gone. Tension at Turf High escalates. So make it think Mapitsi should leave the radio job because it's not her calling. After the interview she had with Braboiki, it was a disaster, honestly. So Pex had a dream about his mother and he think his mother is still alive. Paxton asked Shupi if she was ever bullied, and Shupi developed concern about the question Paxton asked her. But Paxton's response was like, no, I'm asking this because someone told me something and now I'm busy thinking about what that person told me. That's the reason why I'm asking you. Tension raised at Berry FM between two lovers soon to be enemies, Mapiti and DJ Thomas. Throughout the show, there were some side eyes and you can sense that there's the tension in the show or between these two people. Brabi visited Maputla's site, making Tibos and Kwaito fear, but Kwaito wasn't buying the threat. Back to Berry FM, Mapiti wants to fix things with a DJ Thomas. And Kamu was in the studio and turned the radio on, and Mapiti confessed her love to DJ Thomas. Everyone was listening to their conversation. And now their secret is out. Everyone knows about it at TEF. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until I meet in my next video.